Hello traders, in this video I will show you how to open a demo account with a broker and how to install MetaTrader and the basics of MetaTrader that you need in order to start trading manually or with the expert advisors. So I am on the website of Pepperstone, one of the brokers that I have been using for cryptocurrency trading. And again, please don't take it as a recommendation because I'm not related to any of the brokers. I'm not promoting any of them. Of course, I need to select one of them to show in my courses. So Pepperstone is a regulated broker and they have relatively small spreads for the cryptocurrencies. So after you select your trading broker, what you will need to do is to open a demo account. And you can do it either if you log in into the clients area, or most of the brokers will have the button test a demo account, open demo account. In this case we have try a 30-day demo account. So if the broker limits the account like 30-day, for example Dukascopy limits with 15 days, all you need to do is to write to their support to extend the account, and usually they do it without questions asked, so you can ask them to extend the account to a lifetime, so you will have more time to test the strategies. Then I will click on request an account. I will be using MetaTrader 4. And I can select if I want to put a nickname. Let's say I will put Petko Alexandrov. And then I would like my currency to be in dollars. I will start with a smaller amount, let's say $5,000. So if you are planning to trade on a live account with 5,000, it's not a bad idea to start the same amount on a demo account. Okay, so you will be doing more realistic testing. And I click on submit and it will take a couple of seconds and I have my demo account open and here is my account number. And if I move my email from my next screen, you will see that I have received immediately the email from Pepperstone. So it says, hi Petko Alexandrov, your demo MetaTrader 4 account is now ready. And to get started, install the MT4 platform. So this is the link that they send you and you can install the platform. Okay, I will click on it and it brings me back on their website. It depends what you want to install, or if you want to use the web version, you can open it from right here. Then for MetaTrader 5, they offer Mac version and Windows, and they have the mobile apps. I will be using MetaTrader 4. For many reasons, I prefer MetaTrader 4, and it's still the more preferable platform from the traders. And I will be using it with Windows. So I click on that button, the installation file is downloaded. I will click on it and you will see how easy it is to install the platform. Now what you can do is click on settings and select the destination. And usually what I do is I just change it according to the account that I will be trading, but I can call it, for example, Pepperstone Crypto Trading. So I know that on this platform I will be trading cryptocurrencies, and I click on next and it installs just in a few minutes. The platform will open automatically. I will click on finish and it brings you usually to the MQL5 website, and here is the platform opened. So I will just make it fit to the trading screen and here it is. Alright, now I will log into the account that I have just opened and I go to login to trade account, and here I will enter the account number. And as well, I will enter the password. All right, and that's it. Once I do that, I click on login and it will take a few seconds to log into the account, and I'm connected to the server of the broker. In the bottom right hand corner, you can see that I have the connection to the server, and on the left side I see all the quotes, or in other words, I see the prices moving, okay, which means that I am connected to the market and I'm ready to trade. But before that, I will do a brief presentation on MetaTrader for the beginner traders, so you will know how to use that platform if you haven't done it before. But that I will do just in the next lecture.